Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we are looking at a 2018 E300 4MATIC. This one's an iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one comes with the luxury line with a luxury exterior and interior Mercedes-Benz emblem on the hood, 17-inch split 5-spoke wheels, a macchiato beige espresso brown MB Tex interior with a burl walnut wood trim, glass black center console, sunroof, E300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, Premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, ambient lighting, burl walnut wood and leather steering wheel, touchpad steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, wireless charging, USB ports, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This E-Class has 47,959 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.